Hey everybody, I'm Carl with Centurion Pro. Today I'm really excited to be doing an unboxing video of our GC3 bucker model. GC refers to gentle cut, as we appreciate how precious and delicate your flowers are. Similar to scissors, this bucker cuts the flower off the stem as opposed to pulling and popping. Keeping with Centurion Pro's reputation for innovation, the GC3 is pushing boundaries as the first triple workstation bucker on the market. Triple the performance, powered by 3/4 horsepower motors. In addition, the GC buckers feature a built-in cleaning system, which removes and collects all debris into a vacuum bag, making cleanup a breeze. Without further ado, let's get to it. We just covered the unboxing and assembly of your GC3 triple bucker. Make sure you visit our website and complete the warranty registration within 30 days of purchase. If you have any questions related to unboxing or assembly that we haven't covered in this video, please feel free to reach out to us at techsupport@cprosolutions.com. Also, be sure to subscribe to our channel for other great videos to help streamline your operation and make the most of your bucker purchase. In our next video, we're going to do a detailed overview of the GC3 triple bucker, including its key components and electrical requirements. So stay tuned. Thank you for watching and happy harvest.